rehash. And that's okay. What I'm trying to do is go back in and pull out the pieces of Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 that you may have forgotten that will come in super, super handy right now. So, the model we have, and Jesse, hopefully this will get at the issue here. Y equals 1.05x plus 33.1, where x equals number of years after 1990, and y equals number of uninsured in millions. In millions per, or is it millions? Yeah, it is millions. Okay, so in this particular question, we're trying to figure out in 1995 how many uninsured people there were, yes? So what you did with either the trace or the table was you stuck, help me Ashley, go.
Oh, sorry.
Go.
Stuck 5 in for I.
So you knew in 1995, that's exactly right, my friend, you knew that that means x equals 5. So this formula has two variables. If you can satisfy one of them with a number, you can find the other one. Yeah?
Plug that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Y equals 1.05 times 5 plus 33.1. Now, before we just plug and chug and get the answer, which I love it, Josh, make sure you know what's going on with these three numbers. 33.1 was the what again? Do you remember? Yes. And what does that mean again? In 1990, where it started, yes, where it started, in 1990, there were 33.1 million people. Each additional year that passed since then, we picked up how many more? 1.05 million per year. I want to get to 1995, so I have to pick up 1.05 million 5 times. That's all the equation is doing for you. It's doing the stair step. And then you're there. It just does it all at once. And that's why I like looking at it manually calculated, because it allows you to see what's actually going on. Jesse, go!
But you get an extra, you get a different number.
Well, let's see. I get 5.25 here, is that correct?
Yeah.
Plus 33.1. That's 38.35, right?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Never mind.
There we go. 38.2. Oh, I know what you did. I know what you did. That's so cute.
I was doing 33.01.
Yes, because you put a 0 on there instead of a 0.1.
Yeah.
Ah, that's adorable. It's okay. And that is what is okay. And that's why we like computing technology. Because computing technology won't make the little 0 math errors. But I like both because, number one, computers won't make the math mistakes. Unless you're Blackboard. Computers won't make the math mistakes. But as humans, we can realize if the output makes sense, maybe we put it in wrong, right? So it's important to know both sides of the coin, correct? Hopefully that makes sense. Ask me questions about this, whether it's the manual, and then the interpretation of this, of course, is 38.35 million people uninsured. When?
1990.
Ooh! Love it. Oh, and somebody said this before. That's important. Was that you, the squiggly equals? Yeah, I mean, you can always put a squiggly equals in this class. I'm not. Trust me. I like the squiggly equals because it is a nod to the fact that, you know what? It probably wasn't 38.35 million. We don't have a data point for that year, do we? No, which means it's unknown. It's really close to that, but not exactly that. All right, we're just about out of time. We didn't get through the entire chunk. Can I ask you guys to do this in your notebooks and bring it back next time? Just answer these, and I'm going to have this PowerPoint already on the schedule page for you.
Oh, okay.
So this, I think it already is from Monday. If it's not, it will be today. So navigate to this slide. We just knocked out these guys right here. Can you take a look at the next 3, which are all based off of this data set? You don't have to write them down right now, because I said a PowerPoint is going to be loaded for you guys onto the schedule page. So just go to this slide, find this slide.
What would it be called?
It'll be linked. It'll say it'll be the linear modeling link. I'll try to keep it the only link in the what we did today part. So if you go to the schedule page, you'll see the linear modeling that's hyperlinked. It'll ask you to open a PowerPoint. I promise there's no viruses in it. I'm not trying to infect your computer with anything. I'm a good guy. So pop that bad boy open. I think it's about. Let me just see real quick. It looks like it's about the. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th slide. It looks like. 6th slide. Boop, boop, boop. Knock out those 3. That'll give us a starting point for Monday.
Bring to class?
Do it in your note. Wherever you're doing it, wherever you did these 2 right now, do it these there too. Just consider it like part of you. Just to keep this in your mind between now and Monday.
Are we going to go over them?
For sure, first thing. Those are yours. My gift to you. Use them well. Use them in good health.
I just sent you an email.
About the TID6, thank you. I will print the PDF and I'll email you the PDF, Josh. I'll also bring you a printed copy on Monday.
Awesome, cool.
You got it. I apologize for that. Usually I know better than to print a Word document. Special characters are weird.